Hello there. Now today I've got a couple more Argos returns on my bench. We've got a couple of these Bosch portable cassette players. Model number BR-630. Now this one was purchased on the 30th of the 10th 2020 and was returned on the 30th of 11th 2020, and it says on the label not spinning inside. And the other one, well, there's no dates on it, it just says no play. So let's see what we can do in getting these back in working order. Okay, so we'll start with this one, not spinning inside. Let's get it out of the box. Pair of earphones and the unit itself. Right, so let's get some batteries in it. Okay. Right, right, nothing. I can hear the motor running. This just could be something as simple as the belt. Okay, let's get it open and have a look. Oh, better get the batteries out first, I guess. Now we've only got 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Always check if you're messing with something like this, because sometimes there can be a screw hidden in the battery compartment, as I found out in the past. Okay, so how's it come apart? Right, you've got to coax it over these buttons and wheels. There we go. Oh, and there's a small cable that connects the aerial to be... there we go. The belt's off. Oh, I imagine that has been like that from the factory. Okay, let's just zoom down on that. Oh. Okay, so the correct threading by the look of it is around and around this little idler pulley here by the look of it. So let's put the batteries back in and see if there's any reason that it would come off. It seems to be transporting all right. Don't see any reason why that would come off in normal operation. I'm assuming it was just not put on correctly at the factory. Okay, let's put it back together and see how it performs. Take the batteries out. Now when you're putting this back together, it's just a case of hooking it over the earphone jack and the tuning wheel. Something like that. And just in case putting the screws back in. Okay, let's pop some batteries back in it. Yep, I can see that the take-up spool is going round. We've got a tape. Let's have a look. Yeah, that seems to be working fine. Let's see if the radio performs. Just slide that switch over. FM. Yeah, wonderful. Wasn't expecting a great deal from it, if I'm honest, but anyway, it appears to be working, so that's another one we can say has been saved from the skip. Let's have a look at the second one and see what that doesn't do. No headphones with this one. Right, let's slip some batteries in. Hey, come here. Okay. Yeah, this sounds as though it's exactly the same fault as what was up with the first one. I won't bore you with it, I'll just whip the screws out and have a look, and if it's the same I will end the video here. Just get it apart. Now this one, the belt is almost on. Just come down. What it's happened on this occasion is it's gone behind the pulley instead of going onto it. So it just wants popping on like that. And that's cured it basically. Right, well there you go. Both back together. Both the same fault basically. Belts have just not been put on correctly at the factory. Anyway, this might help somebody if they come across one of these that isn't working properly. So many thanks for watching and hope to catch you in the next one.